Today I'm going to show you how to restore an old rusty chainsaw guide bar. Here's an example of an old rusty chainsaw bar. This is particularly off the David Bradley 360 chainsaw that I traded to my dad. And today I'm going to show you how to restore these old bars and make them look like new almost. You'll need water and some wet dry sandpaper. I'm using 400 grit. You can use something in that ballpark. So I've done this in the past with other chainsaw bars, like on one of my Homelight 150s. Just take a piece of the sandpaper, yay big, pour a small amount of water on the bar, and then start sanding. I don't know if you can see, but orange water is already coming off and this thing's looking good already. It's already looking a lot better. This is an original David Bradley bar for the saw, and just 1 or 2 minutes it's already looking this good. I'll touch this side up and then do this other side. Well guys, that's a restored chainsaw bar. As you can see, it looks a lot better. Not brand new, but a lot better compared to before. Here's the other side not restored. And really no point showing you doing the other side since you got the point of it by now. But yeah, before, after, way better. And I know you guys all want to see the saw itself, so I'll show you that quick. Here it is. David Bradley 360. It doesn't have spark. I bought it at an auction last summer and traded my dad for something else, a little Rascal mobility scooter that I resold. And my dad just has it in his collection now. So yeah, that's how to restore a chainsaw bar. Hope you found this video helpful.